How to refund money on Cash App. First things first, open up your Cash App. Look down at the bottom right corner and tap on that little notification icon. It looks like a little clock or activity badge. This brings up your recent activity. Now you have two choices here. If you see the transaction you want to refund right away, just go ahead and tap on that person's profile picture. If it's an older payment, no worries. Just use the search bar right at the top to type in their name and tap on them there. Once you're on their profile, scroll down a bit until you see the Your History section. Find the exact payment you're looking to send back and tap right on it. This opens up the full receipt for that payment. Now, look all the way up at the top right corner. See those three little dots? Tap on those. A menu will slide up from the bottom of your screen. Right at the top of that list, you'll see the Refund option. Go ahead and tap that. Cash App will give you a quick pop-up confirmation just to make sure you're good to go. Double-check the details, tap OK, and that's it. The money is on its way back. And hey, if you want to learn how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet step by step, click on the next video on your screen right now. Catch you over there.